Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today a topic is, so there is a table we have it. Let me go for sure. We have the selection from login. So if the users are logging into the, it's like customers or users who are the baby people who can go for a login first time. That's a new customer. If we log into the any site or if you order anything new customer, we can consider he's a new customer. Similarly, if we have a website, the customer is login first time, we can say that he's a new customer. When he go back to the login some other day, again repeatedly he's logging, we can say that he's a repeated customer. So we have a data here, login date and customer ID. So 2024-01 is a C1 is a customer. First time he is logging, he's the new customer. Whereas in same day we have the customer 2 also is there. He is also new customer. Customer 3 and 4 also get login into the same day. These are four customers or new customers on that particular day. And whereas in second day we have the C5 is the new customer and C1 he's already logged in the first day. So second day he's going to be login. We can consider he is a repeated customer. Similarly, you can go with C6, a new customer for it, and C2. C2 already logged in the first of the January, so here he is a repeated customer in the third. And C7 new customer, C1 and C2 are the repeated customers, C8 is a new customer. So how can we go for identify that how many new customers are there and total number of repeated customers? So I want to be know that new customers and repeated customers count, right? How we can achieve that? So we can try to be find out that first who are the uh, first login customer. Suppose what is the first date of the customer's login. So we can go for write the SQL statement to fetch that number of new customers and repeated customers. So I can go for give it here cust underscore ID customer ID I'm taking, and I want to be identify that first login customer date. It's like I can take it as min of ldate. All right. So from login and we have used the group mean, right, a group by I've used that cust underscore id. Okay, let me execute this. Sorry. So we have this statement. So C1 customer first login is 1, C2 is 1, C3 and C4 all four customers are login to first of that, and C5 and C6 are second, C7 C8 are 3 and 4. All right, so this is the first login. So I can rename this as first login, F login. Okay. So here we have the all the first login dates of the each customer. All right, what is the first login date of the each customer? Then I can go for write. Let me execute it back again. After we apply the alias name, we have the first login dates. So on top of it, what I will do is I can go for get that uh, first login date and login dates. So I can take it as here subquery. I can take the subquery, select uh, ldate login date, comma cust cust underscore id, comma. So uh, f f login I can take it f login uh, from this subquery. I can close the bracket and open and close the bracket. I can make it as a. So we have that a dot f login, right? We can consider this a dot f login uh, from So from login, I can take it as okay. So for the login also, if you want to specify the any alias name, L, I can mention it. Login is L. So here we can L dot login date and L dot customer date. All right, the alias names we can define it. So I want to make a join between this table and the subquery which we have it. So I can use it inner join. Okay. So for this query and which is a subquery which we have it, I want to make a join. All right. So on f dot, we have it L dot cust underscore ID is equal to a dot f log a dot cust underscore ID. Okay, based on customer ID, we are joining it. So here it's a dot. Let me execute this. So what we are getting, so you can see that login date, customer, and first login date. What is his first login date? So customer 2 is customer 1 join login in second and fourth as well. But even the first login date would be 1. The first login date we are repeating here. So now what we write it, we want to identify that 2 more columns over here. 2 more columns we can identify here in the table. Let me go for comma. A case when L dot ldate is equal to a dot f login. So actual date login date is equal to a dot f login. So then I want BA is a new customer. Okay, is a new customer. So let's keep it as then 1 else 0 and end. Okay, as I can say that new comma, I can write one more case statement, case when L dot ldate is equal to a dot f login, then not equal to, here you can mention it, not equal to, then 1 else 0 and as repeated. Okay, so I can mention as he is a repeated customer. So let's go for execute this query. So you can see customer 1 is the new customer when he is the first, and the customer is login. Customer 1 is already logged in again in 2 and 4th. We are showing that 00. He is a repeated customer. And customer 2 we have it. He's in 4th and 3rd. 4th and 3rd he is a repeated customer because the customer 2 already logged in at first. So where we can represent that customer 2 already logged in at first. That's why for second, where we have 4th and 3rd, the customer is repeated. Okay, customer second you can see he's the new customer in the first. All right. Here you can see he's the new customer. C3 and first is new customer. C4 first is new customer. C5 second is new customer. Here also new customer. C7 third new customer. Fourth we have the new customers. So let me go for count of the a new customer per day. You can go for on top of this you can take that customer ID, count of the new and repeated customers per day. So you can write it here, select ldate comma count of new comma count of uh, repeated from, you can put it in a bracket and keep this in bracket B, right? So from this table okay, group by ldate, right? Let me execute this query. So here you can get it. New scorecast and repeated underscore cast. Okay, by ldate and execute it. So in the first of that, 4 new customers we have it. And why we are getting repeated customers is 4. Something is wrong here, right? Count of customers. Sum. Let me apply the sum. Now you can see that first we have the 4 new customers, 0 repeated customers, and whereas in second we have the 2 customers, the second is, and repeated customer is 1, and third one is new customer, 1 repeated customer, and fourth 1 new customer and 2 repeated customers. So that's, you want to just compare the data. So let's go for run the above query as well. Okay, simply you can compare this. The first we have that customer 1, customer 2, customer 3 is the new customers. 4 we have it. There is no repeated customer. Whereas in second C5 and C6 are new customers, 2 new customers. C1 is a repeated customer, 1 is a repeated customer. And whereas you can go with a third C2 and C7. C2 is a repeated customer 1 and C7 is a new customer. And fourth we have the 3 records, C1 and C2 repeated customers, already they are new customers in the previous. C8 is a new customer. So this is the way we can go for identify that a number of new customers and repeated customers in a SQL query. So it's very important. Continuously, so many companies is asking in interviews. So try to go for practice this SQL statements. Yeah, that's all about this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and follow my channel. I will go for add more number of videos. Thank you. Catch you with a new video.